Hello from Haven House, I hope you're well. This is the night before the summer solstice. The sun is still above the horizon. It's 10 o'clock at night. You can still see the sun. It's a beautiful evening, really tranquil. And I just want to talk briefly about what solstice means. It's the longest day of the year, but it's also a time to celebrate and a time for people to come together. We celebrate things that are coming into fruition and the fullness of everything. We celebrate nature and all that she brings us. So when I was thinking about solstice, and it actually reminded me of this painting that I painted this year of the Callanish stones on the Isle of Lewis, which is in the Outer Hebrides. So the Callanish stones are an amazing place to visit, full of atmosphere and intrigue and mystery, and you can just imagine, like, on nights like this, people gathering around the stones to celebrate. So it actually inspired this little piece of writing as well. So it's called Standing Strong at Callanish. The beautiful and serene standing stones of Callanish on the Isle of Lewis are awe-inspiring. Stand at the stones and immerse yourself in thousands of years of history and stories. We may never know exactly why the stones were laid in this manner, but we do know that they symbolize unity, gathering, and an eternal reminder that we are one of a long line of generations past and yet to come. Feel the mystery of the Callanish stones and remember. So I think the message would be to enjoy the fullness of the sun and summer and gather and celebrate and just pause for a moment and give thanks that we have a cycle. Everything that goes away comes back again. And enjoy your summer evening. See you next time.